Hi, what's going on? Sneaker Dan here. So, I'm back again with creating a content, and this basically just presenting a few things that I received, which I feel is very important and critical to my enjoyment, and of course to my streaming needs as well. So, I just got three items that will be unboxed, revealed, and checked. So it will be for majority streaming purpose, but the others is of course double purpose, probably for daily activities na rin because it's definitely needed on those times. So the first one, uh, this is the Maono Neo Caster. Okay, C2. Ito yung pinakamura. So, nabili ko siya during sale and I haven't explored the features and yung mga capabilities na itong device na to. Pero, of course, as I go along, tignan natin yung mga initial features na pwede nating ma-review, ma-check, and let's see how it works. Kasi compared dun sa previous ano ko, ah medyo ano wavy yung ano niya, wavy yung sound niya eh. Ito yung unang-una ko yung V8 ko, which is still working. And actually may ano may arbor na nga eh, kaya ipapamana ko na. Worth ano to eh, worth 200. Okay, so that's the first one that I'll be unboxing today. So itong Maono, alright? So here it is, guys. So as I said, I have this sound card practically for a few days now, but of course I haven't presented it properly through an unboxing. So right now I'll do it for everybody's reference. So ang brand nito is of course Maono, which is pretty well known for sound cards. And then the specific line of brand is Maonocaster C2 Neo Podcasting Console. Okay, so ito yung itsura niya. So let's see kung what's inside the box. Alright, let's see. So it's just pretty straightforward. And okay. Alright, so on top of it is, I believe this is the tips, or should I say warranty ba to? Warranty yata to. So yan. Then of course, as usual for every device, yung instruction manual. So to give you a heads up on kung ano yung mga settings or proper ways na para ma-set up. So again, properly packaged. Tapos, ito mismo yung device. Alright, look at it. Okay. Alright. Hindi ko kulit ang aso. Sorry guys. Alright. So, ito. Let's take it out. Wow. See that? So, that's the Maono. Okay. Alright, set it aside. Okay, then of course, ito yung mga plugs, ay mga wire. So, actually, 2 wires lang yung included dito. Isang, itong Type C to Type A. Tapos yung dual na para sa stream out. Ito, actually, galing to doon sa isang V8 ko eh. Ito yung para sana sa accompaniment. So, nagtataka ako ba't dalawa lang yung wire na sinama nila with. Actually, is for accompaniment dapat may isa pang extra. But anyway, it is what it is. Alright? So, wala na. Wala na laman. So, that's it. Okay, now, let's move on with the device itself. So, eto yung device. So, as indicated, may microphone sign. So, ito yung sa microphone, volume. Tapos, itong first knob ay sa gain. So, if ever you would like na mas malakas yung echo, mas maganda yung presentation ng voice mo, ito yung i-adjust mo. Of course, huwag mo na may maximize na baka puro echo na yung ma-develop mo. And then, yung next knob, ito yung sa aux. So, yung aux, yan yung accompaniment. So, normally, yung mga cellphone nyo, yung mga instruments nyo, ito yung nagbibigay ng volume. So, siya yung nag-ano kung i-adjust nyo para mas mabalance yung comparison ng voice nyo with the background music. Ito yun. So, to balance themselves. Tapos ito, may light indicator. So, pag nakon, gagalaw yan. So, mag-up and down yung light in connection sa movement nito. Then, of course, ito naman yung phones. So, volume ng phones. So, like this one, meron din tong indicator. So, whenever you move it, up and down ang movement din yung light nito. So, ito naman, para sa volume ng monitoring mo. So, halimbawa, may headset ka naka-setup. So, yung lakas o hina ng naririnig mo doon, nakadepende dito sa volume na to. So, and of course, for finality, ito nga, kung ano yung ma-develop dito, ano yung ma-mix nyo dito, ito yung magbibigay ng buga dun sa stream. Bawa, nakakonekta ka sa StreamYard, sama-sama kayo dun. So, kung ano yung maririnig ng audience mo, kung ano yung maririnig ng mga kasama mo sa panel, ito ang magbibigay nun. Yan, siyang kung baga, yung mixture ng mga sounds tsaka mga inputs na napagsama-sama dito sa V8 na to, ito ang magre-release dun sa system. Of course, yung mga knobs, hindi ko pa na-explore actually yung iba dito eh. So, based on dun sa nakita ko sa mga reviews sa YouTube, so ito 48 volts kung may condenser microphone ka. Mas maganda dito, Bluetooth enabled na. So, if ever mag-fail yung wiring dun sa accompaniment mo, kung Bluetooth capable naman yung device mo na nagbibigay ng sound o yung background music, pwede mo i-connect dito sa Bluetooth. Then, of course, reverb presets. So, itong reverb presets, meron siyang iba-ibang settings para makuha mo yung gustong-gusto mong echo. So, may KTV, may hole, may room. Alam ko, 6 as far as I remember eh. Itong iba, hindi ko pa alam to. Itong mga slide chain. Itong direct monitor, pag naka-on to, yan na, doon may maririnig kung ano yung loudness mo, kung ano yung naririnig na sa stream. Yan, dyan yun. Kumbaga sana parang siya yung monitor. Then, yung pitch presets, yung kung gusto mong boss lalaki o boss babae, boss chipmunks, yan yun. Noise reduction, yung kung ano yung quality na pinipresent ng mic, ito nagre-reduce. Then, itong ABC, yun lang ang hindi ko medyo nagustuhan dito sa sa Maono. Ewan ko lang, baka dito lang talaga sa Maono Castro na to. Pero yung yung mga background na clapping, tsaka yung laughing, yung mga nagugulat, wala sa dito. Kailangan i-download mo pa. Kailangan i-download mo pa dito sa tatlong knobs na to. So, So yan, that's basically yung front panel ng ng Maono. So